Good morning, students. I am Ritudir here from Amrit Indian Canadian Academy. I hope you all are fit and fine with your parents. Today I will tell you how to tag a button. You have to do the same as like me. Here some material is required. Now see old cloth, buttons, needles, thread and scissor. Let's start. Take a thread and thread the needle. Now cut the thread. Wrap the thread around your finger and tie it. It should be equal thread. Now set the position of the button. Push the needle through the cloth and through one hole in the button. Pull the thread all the way through on each stitch. First we have to use only 2 holes for tie it. You have to bring your needle upper side and in front of the hole you have to go down. Two, 3 times you have to do the same. After then you have to go opposite hole and same as like you have to come down. 3-4 times this process you have to do. Thread should resemble an X. You have to tie it properly so that it cannot be open. At the end we have to give a knot downside. This process also we have to do for 3-4 times. At last trim the thread. Now our button is ready. Now I'll tell you how to do the buttonhole. First we have to mark the point where we have to make the hole. Now I will fold it and I will cut from the center. We have to cut the small hole. Now we get a hole. First take out the needle from right side to left. Now keep your thread forward. Then prick needles and take it out from hole. all side of the hole we have to do the same process. Almost I have sewn it from all sides. Now at last back side we have to tie it carefully 3-4 times. We have to knot it. Now trim your thread. Now both sides are ready. You can see. Thank you, students.